Hey guys, I thought I should record this. There's my dog in the snow. Looks like she's doing her business. Wow, just in a few hours, snow is really starting to come down now. I haven't posted a long time a video of Maggie, but she's just beautiful. Just look at her in the snow. Doing laps. Yeah, it's starting to come down now. Okay, she's doing some business. And there we go, she's back in. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed it. Peace, guys. Now, a day later, the snow is all gone. Alright, so I have two shoutouts to give to. One, this is the 5th time I give him a shoutout, is 1251650. That's the user with the max. Unfortunately, he didn't like his videos, so he decided to delete them all and post some rock band video. Next channel is Lee of the Cup. Has a lot of interesting tea videos and paranormal activity videos. Cool. So, hope you enjoyed this awesome video of Maggie playing in the snow and a little update on the weather. Alright guys, see you later.